the international, so I think we all tried to keep it up a level,
Yeah.
maybe a little bit, I think, between our communications with each other, which probably maybe in some of those closed door final negotiation sessions that might get a little heated, but from the working level, I think there really is an effort to be a little bit more polite and listening to the different points of view.
Yeah.
And
So
to
we work
negotiate it.
better.
Yes, I think
maybe
we
with
do.
others.
Yes.
when we're working.
Yes,
Yeah.
I think that's something that struck
Yeah.
me when I first came onto the Rhine program, is that kind of environment.
And I think it is getting back to what Joyce said earlier, that our job as program and project managers is to eliminate barriers for the team.
Right.
When we've worked with ESA and the European Service Module and Airbus as the prime contractor, their number one tenet is cost. Plain and simple. It's not technical because it's just what it is.
They're driven by, yeah.
They're driven by cost. So what happens, the technical teams have meetings,
Yep.
and maybe they come up with a clever solution, but it costs X amount of dollars, and they just get stuck. And so as a management team, we've said that's a huge conflict. And one resolution approach is you need more money, don't even argue, just come to management, right?
Yep.
And then we'll kind of work it out in those closed door sessions where it's not fun. We don't have money either, but you kind of work it out and you figure out what's the best path forward
Right.
for both parties.
Right. And also, I would assume you'd agree that out of conflict often comes innovative ideas, best solutions,
Always.
right? I mean,
Sure, yeah.
and so there's a danger in not being too polite.
Yes,
but,
yeah. We'll
you
say
know,
it costs too much money, go find another solution.
Right.
And I've had a technical team, that was a $500,000 solution. They come up with a $50K solution.
Right.
Yeah.
Good job.
frugal
Yes,
innovation.
right.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, if it's easy, then you don't have to change or adapt or potentially get better.
absolutely.